Alimony in the state of Ohio is called spousal support. Generally, the higher wage earner pays the lower wage earner. And I say generally, because again, this is all part of the horse trade and the negotiation between the sides. I usually ask for a list of their top 5 priorities, either out of their divorce or out of their child custody case. What are you looking for at the end of this case? And I said, if I can get 3, I'm an all-star. If I get 4, they should be throwing a ticker tape parade for me. Nobody gets 5. 4.5 is probably the closest I ever got to hitting for the proverbial cycle. But generally speaking, you're not going to get all 5. And really 2.5, that's a tie. I don't like ties. I like 3. I want the win. Each court is different. Generally, it's 1 year for every 3 years of marriage is kind of a rule of thumb. There are courts that do 1 for 5. But how they come up with that number is incredibly subjective, based on incomes and a lot of other factors that are involved in a case. One of the things I always tell clients is, I want you to hire us. But if you don't hire us, don't do this yourself. Divorce, while it seems simple on paper, is way more complicated and complex than people think, and you really need somebody in your corner who does it all day, every day, and understands those intricacies. Otherwise, if you do it incorrectly and come to me, it's going to cost you 4 or 5 times the amount it originally cost, because now I have to go and fix something that the court already ordered. Once the court orders something, it's incredibly hard to get the court to undo what they've already ordered.